Hello guys, welcome to my channel SwiftLearn. This tutorial I will show you how to create smart login using HTML CSS and JavaScript. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Okay, now I'm gonna creating a folder, new folder. Name this folder. Folder name is login tutorial. Open this folder and create a HTML file in this folder. My file name is login.html. You must add extension as HTML because this is HTML file. We click yes. Now I'm gonna writing code to make a login form. So open it with Notepad, or you can use go Notepad++ or Atom or any other software. Okay, now this is the Notepad. I'm gonna writing code to make a smart login, transparent login. So this is a HTML, start HTML tag and close HTML tag. Now I'm gonna add a title or head in the HTML file head. Close the head tag. Yes. Now I'm gonna title tag. Title is user login. Close the title tag. Yes. Now body, start the body tag and close the body tag as well. Okay, now I'm gonna add a div. In this div I will add a form, login form tag. Okay, so in this div align center and style padding top 10%. Close the div tag. Yes. Now add a form tag, form, and close the form tag. Yes. Now design the form tag. Style wide 250 pixel. You can make it more or less. I just fixed with the 250 pixel and the height is 300 pixel. Background color is transparent red. In that case add RGBA 255 0 0 and 0.6. okay, now color is white. I mean, if I write anything, font text for color is white. Open it to the browser, Chrome. Yes, this is the login form. Okay, now add border radius 9 pixel. Okay, now it's done. Reload this page. Yes, now this is radius 9 pixel. Okay, now I'm gonna add a break and add a title of this login form. So title is a bit bigger, text is bigger, so I'm just adding a heading tag h1 user login and close the heading tag. Then a hierarchy I'm adding hierarchy here, and again one break. Input type. Now I'm gonna add two text box and the button control to log in and react to the new page. In that case, input type equal to text, name equal to user ID. The first text box name is user ID and text is username. Okay, now I'm gonna add one more input. This is for password, so text is password and type is password type, and name of this text box is pass. Okay, yes, now it's added. Now I'm gonna add a button control. In that case, input type equal to button, value is login. Okay, and add a style equal to white 80 pixel. Okay, it's enough. Now add a double bracket of each control. Okay, reload this page. Yes, this is the login. It's looking fine but not background, so I'm gonna add a background image. In that case, just copy this image and paste in the image name is transparent.bmp. Just copy this image and add a class, element selector class. So in the head tag, add a style, close the style tag, and body, element selector class, body. In this body, add background hyphen image. Background image is URL is the image name. Just put the image name. Image name is transparent.bmp, what I copied from the desktop. Now reload this page. Yes, but you can see here is a separator of the image. To fix this image in the full screen, you should add some more code. So this is background attachment. Background attachment is fixed, and background size, background color, background size cover. Okay, now reload this page. Yes, now it's fixed with the screen, full screen. Now you can log in, but to log in and redirect in the new page, you should add JavaScript, add a script. So okay, now in the username, add a resize this text object, style white 150 pixel, and the password also white 150 pixel. Okay, now yes, now it's looking fine. Okay, now here I'm gonna add one more HTML file so that when I log in, it will redirect to the main page. So this HTML file name is main.html, and add one this image in this folder. The image name is main.png. I just copied some code from the first HTML page to reducing the time. This is the second HTML page. Paste and body, close the body tag and HTML tag. This is same as the first HTML page without login portal. Okay, now add a heading tag, h1. This is main page. Yes, now change the image name main.png instead of transparent.png. Yes, it's done. Now open with the browser. Yes, this is the main page and this is the login page. When I click on a login with the username and password, it will redirect to the main page. This is what I'm gonna show you in this tutorial, the main focus of this tutorial. So now I'm gonna add a script. Language equal to JavaScript. Okay, close the script tag. Now in this script tag, I'm gonna add creating a function to log in, and to log in and check the authentication username and password. After checking the username and password, to redirect to the next page, main page. Okay, so function is check user. If user dot name is user id dot value equal to, fix the name, I just put the name is Roshan, and user dot, the second input is name is password pass. So pass dot value equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Then it will redirect to the main page. In that case, window dot location dot href reference, this is main dot html what I have created. Yes, this is main dot html. Okay, if it's not matched with the, if it's not username is Roshan and password is not a 1 2 3 4 5, I mean it's not match the condition, then it will make a, it will display a alert message. Alert message is alert username or password, incorrect username or password. Yes, now go to the browser, close this main form and reload this page. Yes, now put username Roshan and password, login. Oh sorry, I did not call this function in the button click event. So so here just call this function on click equal to, my function name is check user. Yes, first check user, first break, this dot form, form is my form. Okay, now reload this page and login again. Incorrect username or password, and if username is not matched with the Roshan, then it will also display the same message, incorrect username and password. If it's right, Roshan and password is okay, then it's redirect to the main page. This is main page. Yes, now I think you can understand it is checking whether the username or password is matched or not. If it's matched, it will redirect to the main page, and if it's not matched, then it will display the message incorrect username and password, and it's completely responsive.